Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share some tips for managing your Canvas discussion board and your modules page. But let's first go ahead and talk about the Canvas discussion board. When you click into your discussion board, you'll notice that every original post and every reply is open. This can get pretty unwieldy in a really large class. So one way to prevent yourself from being overwhelmed with the discussion postings that are all open is to collapse the replies. Canvas has a button called Collapse Replies, and when you click on it, it collapses all your replies and only shows the original posting. To view the original postings and replies, you will move your mouse into the top middle section of the original post and click on the arrow that appears. You will be able to see all the replies in the original post and even make your own reply by clicking on the reply button. And when you are done looking at this original post with the replies, you can mouse over into the top of the box again, click on the arrow and close it. Another thing I want to show you is this section over here to the right. It shows you how many posts have been made and how many are unread. You can also see that this is true for the whole discussion post and for each individual discussion post. Another way to view your post is to click on the Unread button. This will show you any posts that have been unread. If you want to read more or view in a discussion, click on View in a Discussion, and it shows you the post and the replies and allows you to reply yourself. Then you'll have to collapse your replies again to get back to just the original postings. You can also use the search entries or author box and type in a classmate's name, and then it shows all of the posts written by that person. You can also use the View in Discussion to find that post so you can leave a reply, and then of course when you're done you have to collapse the replies again to get back to the original postings. You may notice that we have some white circles and some red circles. The white circles show that you have read a post, and the red circles show that you have not read that post. So after reading a post, they automatically change to white. But you can mark a post as read if you're not going to read it and do not want it to show up in your unread replies. I hope these tips will help prevent you from being overwhelmed by the discussion board. I also wanted to share with you a quick tip on modules. So on your modules page, all of your weekly modules or content folders stay open, and the longer it gets towards week 10, 15, it gets pretty unwieldy. So you can click on the arrow next to the title of each module and collapse it. And then when you sign back into Canvas the next time, these will still remain collapsed and it will only show the one you're working on and ones below. I hope these tips will help you efficiently manage your discussion board and your weekly modules.